I'm David Lindo. I'm also known as the urban birder. Here I am, surrounded by urbanity. 5 or 6 miles that way, even nearer, is a load of skyscrapers. But yet, you could be here and feel as if you're in the middle of rural Norfolk. That's how I feel when I come here. I don't think I'm in the middle of London. I think I'm actually in the middle of the wilderness. I've loved birds and birding for as long as I can remember. And way before people realised that being in nature is good for your well-being, I guess I kind of knew that when I was a kid. And I also used to look up and see that there was this whole world above my head. It was something that always made me feel relaxed. We have a really good bird life, you know. We've had over 150 different species recorded here. We've got some hawthorn bushes with berries, and the thrushes love to come and feed on the berries. Very obliging magpie just now. Sometimes with birding, it's just good to stand in the spot and just wait. I've been coming here since the late 80s. I've seen a lot of changes over the years, and some of those changes haven't been for the best. We have a problem which is shared by thousands of other areas like this across the country. The attentions from developers that have their beady eyes on this place for a long time. It's all about trying to get people together to realise that what they have is amazing. And if you destroy it, it's not an easy thing to reclaim. To have all of this stuff in your local place, a place that you fall in love with and you become totally and utterly connected. We need to love our local areas, our local parks, and just encourage as much nature as possible.